Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur ce 8e épisode du Let's Play Enderal. La dernière fois, on avait enquêté avec Jespar. C'est assez compliqué à résumer, mais on s'est introduit dans le manoir de l'Ancien.
What?
C'est un personnage assez mystérieux d'Enderal qui détenait dans son manoir un artefact appelé la Parole des Morts qu'on a utilisé pour s'introduire dans la mémoire d'un ancien Pyréen. Donc les Pyréens, c'est une civilisation ancienne qui a précédé la nôtre, apparemment. Et dans ses souvenirs, on a pu récupérer les mots d'un rituel qui permettrait, grâce aux fragments de pierre qu'on avait récupérés à l'ancien Raschengrad. Donc c'est quand on avait été demandé de l'aide à Lichari pour effectuer un rituel pour nous guérir de la fièvre arcanique. Donc grâce à ces pierres et les mots de ce rituel, on va pouvoir œuvrer pour faire face à la purge. Donc voilà, grosso modo, ce qui s'est passé la dernière fois. Et là, on doit rendre des comptes, je crois, à l'archimage qui nous a envoyé là-bas, Mirajil, je crois.
Have you got the glyphs?
Oui, oui, on les a. Mais l'ancien,
Yes, just show me already. Yes, that does make sense. Step back, I'll show you how this works.
donc ça doit être la pierre qu'on a reconstituée grâce aux fragments.
Jarem Dorba Nubis, Lokarem Taris Danida, Sharak Lishamra.
Oh,
By the righteous path. Are you feeling this?
Yes.
qu'est-ce que
This is
c'est?
impressive. Truly impressive. Are those the shards?
They're certainly not your underpants, are they? According to the Piraean writings, these shards offered protection against the Red Madness, as long as the Sigil Stone remains active. Prophet, you're the one who found the missing glyphs, so you should go first. Go on, touch one of the shards.
D'accord.
So, how do you feel?
Bah, différent, plus lucide en quelque sorte.
Very well. Then let's hope that this Sigil Stone lives up to its promise. Boy, go and tell the quartermaster that every keeper, as well as each one of us, is to be wearing one of these fragments by nightfall.
Boy!
Gazov,
My sir, I really don't think this...
Do what he says, Legion. That is not how you will make friends here, Firespark. Not at all.
if it were friends I was looking for, I certainly wouldn't be here. Once again, good work. Old Aranthiel asked me to give you that, so you could buy better equipment.
Oh,
Now go back to
super.
him and let him tell you about the next mission. It seems that Lishari has once again dug up something that could change everything.
Ok, ça avance.
That makes sense. Pathlessness. Wherever you look, where is this supposed to be?
Yeah, this just doesn't make any sense.
Donc j'ai vu qu'on avait récupéré quelque chose dans le livre de sorts. Fragment de pierre sigillaire. Ces éclats protègent de la folie pourpre et donc de l'influence des éthérés. D'accord. Donc c'est un effet passif, je crois. Ouais, ça doit être ça.
Easy.
Ok. Et c'est un truc qu'on porte sur nous ou... Non. Ok, très bien. Non. On va le vendre.
Yes.
Ok.
Yes, that just might work. Why
One day,
Ils ont foutu le boxon ici. Donc on doit aller retourner voir Arantheal, c'est ça? Faites votre rapport à Théalor dans l'Emporium. Ok.
Blazes, it's dark already. Time really does fly by.
is it now? Remind me not to burst into tears.
Il est quelle heure? 4 heures du matin? Bon, on va aller se coucher. On ira le voir demain matin.
Well met.
Beautiful and proud.
The fabled prodigy.
The
I hope you can live up to what they say about you. I really do.
Yes.
Yes,
that just might work.
She was worshipped and
Well met.
Have you heard? Apparently the Blue Islands Coalition sent an emissary here to end it.
Yes, let's hope he knows what he's doing.
This feeling just now. That was the sigil stone, wasn't it?
Ouais, les fragments seront distribués parmi les gardiens ce soir.
Very well. That only leaves us with Pegast's excavation. Are you ready?
Oui, de quoi s'agit-il?
I'll make it short. We assume that in the last cycle, the Pyreans worked on a machine which they hoped would save them from the cleansing. An old artifact which they tried to put back together.
Une machine? Comment une machine pourrait nous aider contre la purge?
Well, we do know that the cycle is not an ordinary threat. It functions in a way we have not even come close to comprehending, almost like a cosmic force. This makes it naive to believe one could face this threat like a foe made of flesh and blood. Maybe, however, this machine can. As I said, the Pyreans didn't invent this machine. They merely reconstructed it from old plans they found somewhere. And if they thought this idea was worth pursuing, we should at least look into it. Pegast found an old ruin named Old Dothelgrad, which seemed to be some kind of laboratory of the Dilgar, one of the ruling castes in the Pyrean era. She assumes that we might find hints about this machine there, or maybe even a prototype. I want you to help her in any way possible. Maybe your gift can reveal things normal eyes can't see.
Alors, qu'est-ce qui vous fait penser que cette machine, quelle qu'elle soit, pourrait réellement nous aider? Après tout, elle n'a pas sauvé les Pyréens.
Yes, because they never had a chance to finish it. The Pyrean realm was in a constant state of war shortly before the cleansing, just like Vin has been for the past few years. And even if the machine does not work, any knowledge we can get from their struggle against the cycle is crucial.
Vous parliez des Dilgar. Quelle est la différence entre un Dilgar et un Nishian?
They were the two different castes who ruled the Pyrean realm. Officially, they were servants of their highest being, the deity all of Pyrea worshipped, but everyone knew that it was the castes who had the power. And while the Ishian valued tradition, the Dilgar valued progress, which, as you can imagine, led to differences between the two, to say the least. They were the lightborn of the Pyrean era, you could say.
D'accord. Comment est-ce que je peux atteindre cette ruine, l'ancien Dotulgar?
It's in a remote section of the Heartland. Keeper Sakaresh will accompany you there and show you the way. Good luck.
Très bien. Cette fois, on va être accompagné de Kalia. Ah, bah, Kalia.
Ah, there you are. The Grandmaster already briefed me on our mission. Shall we go?
Oui, allons-y, mais il y a une chose que je voulais vous demander avant. Est-ce qu'il y a une raison pour que le grand maître nous envoie tous les deux sur cette
Why do
mission?
you ask? Does it bother you?
Non, pas du tout. Non, non. Non, mais comme nous sommes tous les deux nouveaux dans l'ordre, et que cette mission est d'une grande responsabilité, je m'interrogeais.
Yes, that's true. To answer your question, I don't know. I assume I am accompanying you because we both did the trial together, but as to why you were assigned to such a crucial mission is beyond me. It seems the Grandmaster really does believe in your role as a prophet, whatever that may mean. But anyway, I suggest we save these questions for later. For now, let's focus on the task at hand.
D'accord. Bon bah, allons-y. Vous connaissez le chemin?
Yes, the ruin isn't far from here. Just meet me at the Myrids Tower in the Northern Heartland. I will wait for you there once I finish my preparations.
Ok, très bien. Salut Kalia.
There you are. Here, I got us a map from the Archmagister. Do you see that? We're here, and back there is the ruin where we'll meet Pegast. So, I'd say, let's go. You lead the way, I'll cover your back.
Ok, donc où est-ce que ça se trouve? Ah, c'est là. Ok. Donc, on continue le chemin. À l'intersection, on prend à gauche. Ok. Ok.
Over there, that must be the ruin.
Ouais. Essayons de rentrer là-dedans. Oh. Peut-être qu'il y a des trucs intéressants à regarder. Un sac. Bah allez, on se sert. Quel endroit charmant.
There.
Ok. Oh. Faut pas descendre, j'espère. Ah, peut-être que si. Hein. Peut-être. Bon, on peut pas monter. Donc c'est qu'il faut descendre.
Prepare yourself.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Ah, c'est un ascenseur, hein. Ok.
Then do it, for fuck's sake. Throw the prophet's ass. All I did was leave you here alone for a couple of hours. And then this happens.
Ah bah on n'est pas tout seul. Hein.
We did our best, madame, and
You did jack shit. That's what you did. 3 of our people are dead, and now the goddamn entrance is blocked up. This is fucking unbelievable. Get out of here, now! I need to think.
That doesn't sound good.
You?
Oui.
Out of all the goddamn people in this goddamn land, you are the last person I expected to see here.
Eh bien, le grand maître était pressé de m'envoyer en mission une fois que j'ai passé cette épreuve.
Well, congratulations. Though I don't have the slightest idea what good getting wasted on weird droge can possibly do.
Nightshade elixir isn't just some weird droga. It's a centuries-old recipe that was already being used by the first vassals. Maybe you should have known that before judging our traditions.
Et toc.
Well, now I do. And just who exactly are you?
Kalia Sakaresh, keeper of the first sigil. I was exalted together with the one you call the Prophet.
Sakarish? You're the girl from the village.
Maybe. Have you heard of me?
Well, there are some interesting rumors revolving around you. Let's put it that way. But who am I to complain? 2 keepers are certainly better than those idiots from the guard. Actually, you've come at just the right time. You'll be surprised, but I found myself in almost exactly the same trouble as in Alt-Rashengrad.
Bah tiens.
Seems I have a knack for that kind of shit.
Non mais ça pouvait pas se passer bien, hein, de toute façon. Une autre attaque de mercenaires, je suppose?
Almost. This time it was bandits.
Ah.
They ran in here about 2 hours ago and charged through us like we were bloody beginners.
C'est pas bon ça. Où est-ce qu'ils sont maintenant?
Well, that's the problem. Do you see that hallway over there? It leads down into the ruin. And now, guess what those fuckers did? They dashed right into it, and somehow succeeded in accidentally activating some kind of mechanism that locks down the whole passage.
D'accord.
Now, anyone who gets too close to it gets roasted like a chicken. So now we can't go down, and they can't come up.
Je suppose que cette machine dont me parlait Arantheal se trouve en bas, n'est-ce pas?
We believe so, yes. That is what makes the whole thing so annoying.
Vous êtes sûr que ce n'étaient pas encore les mêmes mercenaires?
No, they didn't wear the robes that the ones in Alt-Rashengrad did. And they also seemed kind of unorganized to me. And scared, as if they were running from something. My guess is that they were trying to hide from something and thought the ruin was deserted.
Peut-être que c'était des pilleurs de ruines. Et ce mécanisme, est-ce qu'il peut être désactivé d'une manière ou d'une autre?
Somehow, yes, but would you place the button to deactivate the trap right next to the door it's supposed to protect?
Non.
We need to find another way down. But at least we've got a clue. Some kind of hidden entrance. We're still stuck getting it open though. Come, I'll show you.
Ok.
Who knows? Maybe you'll see something in the past that might help us.
Je te suis. C'est beau.
Here we go. And before you ask, our dead buddy on the platform was already there when we got here.
D'accord.
No idea what's keeping his body from decaying. It looks like some kind of magic to me. So I'd say just take a look around. I'm sure the bells have something to do with the riddle.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Bon, concentrons-nous sur l'énigme. Voilà.
Maybe. Are you alright? You look pale.
J'ai eu une autre de ces visions.
You did? Then this mage woman was right. What did you...
How was I right? How was I right?
J'ai eu une autre vision. Et je crois que je sais comment nous pouvons mettre ce mécanisme en route.
Seriously? By the prophet's ass, that's convenient. But who am I to complain? So, what's the deal with those bells?
Elles doivent teinter dans un certain ordre. Mais laissez-moi tenter.
Be my guest. Just make sure that you don't accidentally collapse this place, okay?
Mais je suppose qu'il faut le faire avec le marteau, non? Ouais, ça doit être ça. Marteau...
That sounds wrong. Try again.
Oh, je me souviens plus de quel bruit ça faisait. Ok.
That sounded right.
Merde! Ah
That
merde,
sounds
je me suis
wrong.
trompé.
Try again. Yes, that must be it. That sounded right. That sounded right. Yes, that must be it. Yes, that's it. Now all we... Oh, blazes.
Quoi? Ah merde. Qu'est-ce que... Ah mais décidément, il nous arrive toujours des merdes. Où est-ce qu'elle est, Kalia? J'espère qu'elle est pas morte. Je l'aimais bien. Oh merde. On voit rien ici. Aïe 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 aïe. J'aime pas quand on est tout seul. On va récupérer ces outils. Peut-être que ça peut servir pour l'artisanat. Hop. Et ben allons-y. Ah, ça doit être les bandits, ça. Des flèches, du pain, du vin. Allez, c'est parti. Allons leur défoncer la gueule. Ah! Peut-être qu'on en est sorti enfin. Putain.
There we go. That trick has yet to disappoint me. So what do you say now, you piece of shit? I'll make you pay for what you... Well, that's just great. The fucker brought his bitch with him.
Kalia!
Put down your weapon. I don't want to hurt you.
Oh, is that so?
All of your men are dead. And even if you manage to get past us, there are dozens of guards further up. So put down your weapon, or you will regret it.
Such determination. All right, then. Die!
As you wish.
Oula! Oh là! On apprend ça au Saint-Ordre? C'est chaud, hein?
Are you alright?
Qu'est-ce que c'était que ça, bordel?
It's nothing. Did he hurt you? Can you walk?
Vous ne m'avez pas répondu. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé, bon sang? Vos yeux, le brouillard. Vous aviez l'air différente.
What is this, an interrogation? As I see it, I just saved your damn life. So why don't you do me a favor and keep the questions to yourself? I'm sorry, it's too much right now. We'll talk about it once we get back to the temple. Now, come on, we should push forward. I fell, thank Malphas, into a thicket farther down the ruin. It was some kind of machine room, at least that's what it looked like to me. And luckily enough, that's also how the traps in the entrance are being controlled. I tried to deactivate them. We'll see if it worked.
D'accord.
Anyway, do you see the camp down there? We should take a look at it.
En bas, ok. Oh, c'est bien ça. Bon. C'est de là où on vient. Je vais jeter un coup d'œil en haut. J'ai bien fait.
And I doubt it's the fruit of honest labor. So that's what this was all about? They fled here to protect their loot? We should bring this to the Order. Maybe we can find out who they stole it from.
No! You can't do that.
J'en prends un petit peu.
Stay right there. Who are you?
I'm not one of them. Please don't hurt me. Oh, by the righteous path. What did I get myself into?
Si vous n'êtes pas un des bandits, alors qui êtes-vous?
Alice Summerstone. I'm just a simple man, a farmer by me path. I have 2 daughters, me woman and a little farm girl just a few miles from Ark. Maybe you know one of me girls. She sells our bread at the market, Mondas de Freiras.
La maigrelette aux cheveux blonds?
Yes, exactly. That's her. My little Surta.
Bon, expliquez-vous. Pourquoi est-ce que vous êtes ici?
Aye, of course. Do you know who Landlord Borek is?
He's one of the most influential landlords of the Farmer's Coast. Both the Guard and the Order get their food from his lands. What does he have to do with this?
Everything. He's a pathless bastard. And all of this is his fault. I swear it by me name.
Why?
Because he's a criminal, that's why. Believe me, I know how that sounds. But it's the truth. You have to believe me. The tolls he collects from his tenants are so high that we hardly have anything left to eat. And those who don't pay get beaten up by his lackeys. But that's not all of it. He also knows the Relata.
La Rhalata. Le culte de l'Outreville?
Aye, who else? They believe themselves above Malthus, above the holy path. And they are powerful. Which is also why no one does anything about them.
Donc laissez-moi deviner. Cet or, il appartient à Borek, et vous espériez que sa soi-disant cruauté justifierait votre vol?
No. No, this money isn't his. I had debts. It all started 3 years ago, when we had a very bad harvest, and I couldn't pay me toll for the first time. Borek gave me a loan, but he said that I'd have to pay interest next time. Well, I think you can figure out the rest.
Donc vous vous êtes endetté de plus en plus, et vous avez cherché un moyen de payer tout d'un coup.
Aye. I knew from a friend that there was this man in the Undercity, this Carrick. And he said that he and his men might be willing to help me, if they would get money from it. Apparently they even had a sense of honor and path-abidingness, if you can call it that.
Donc vous avez fait un marché avec eux? Mais il appartient à qui cet or?
They're from a traveling merchant. We ambushed him and you know what we did. But I swear by my name we didn't. When we had the money, all Sunfire started breaking loose. Some kind of woman appeared, all veiled and dressed in black. And in the wink of an eye, she killed 2 of Carrick's men.
Voilée.
We tried to fight her at first, but then we ran for it. Well, and ended up in this ruin.
Vous réalisez que les hommes de Carrick ont tué 3 gardes d'Arc. Autant pour les bandits honorables.
I know. I was there. Carrick was so mad about all that happened with this witch woman, you know. I think he just wanted to get his men to safety. But still, you're right. I was a fool to trust him, and I regret what I did.
Vous parliez d'une femme voilée, avec une robe sombre et une voix grave.
She didn't speak much, but yes, she had dark robes. And she was different, unholy. Sorry, I don't know how to describe her any better.
Et maintenant vous espérez que je vous laisse partir avec l'or, c'est ça? Pour sauver votre ferme?
Me farm and me family, aye. Please, it's the right thing to do. If I don't have the money by the next turn of the moon, Borek and his lackeys will change their tune. And I know what that means.
Aïe 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 aïe. Il a fait des choses graves, hein. Il a tué des gens. Il a dépouillé un marchand qu'ils ont assassiné. Oui, tout ça au nom d'une cause juste, entre guillemets, parce qu'il a besoin de nourrir sa famille. Moi, je serais d'avis de le laisser partir, parce que il a l'air de vouloir se repentir d'une certaine manière. Mais j'espère qu'il va pas recommencer. Hein. Gardez l'or.
Really? Thank you so much. I will not forget this. Forgive me, I have to get out of here before anyone else arrives. Lord bless it, my friend.
By the prophet's ass, you really got them all. You don't stop surprising me, that's for sure. And neither do you, Keeper Sakaresh. Thanks for deactivating the traps up there. I suppose you know about the skinny man who dashed past us up there? We were thinking about stopping him, but he didn't look like one of the bandits.
Yes, he got caught up in the whole thing. He's innocent.
Uh-huh. Well, if you say so. Alright then. I'd say if this machine is somewhere in this ruin, it's here. I suggest you two take a look around. We'll cover your back in the meantime.
D'accord. Kalia? Bon, elle veut pas me parler. Mais il y avait le message, Kalia se sent blessée. J'espère que ça va pas jouer en notre défaveur. Oh. Ça ressemble exactement à la machine qu'on avait vue dans les premières ruines.
I suppose we found our machine. At least, what's left of it. Do you feel anything, Saira? With your gift, I mean.
Non, rien du tout. Mais ce truc il me semble familier quelque part. Jetons un coup d'œil.
Agreed. Maybe we can even take some small parts of it with us right now. The Order will transport the rest to Ark by Myra.
Correct. Nothing else possesses that much raw, magical power.
Merde, je suis bloqué. Parchemin antique.
It works in a way we have not even come close to comprehending, like a cosmic force.
Ah merde. Peut-être sous l'eau? Non? Bon, on peut pas y aller. Oh.
All this energy, it's useless without the Numinos.
C'est quoi ça? On dirait de l'uranium. Bon, il va encore falloir se séparer d'un truc. Ah oui. Kalia?
Yes? Found something?
Donc j'ai récupéré ça.
They look useful. Let's take them to the Chronica.
J'ai aussi une espèce de noyau d'énergie.
Yes? Yes, you're right. How is it possible that it moves all by itself? Let's take it with us.
Et un boîtier en cristal. Est-ce que ça semble utile?
Let me see. Yes, it does indeed. Seems to be some kind of energy storage, but it's empty.
Bon bah je pense que c'est tout ce dont on a besoin pour le moment. Laissons l'ordre prendre le reste.
Yes, I think you're right. Hopefully we didn't miss anything. Let's go talk to Pegast.
Alors,
Now that was quick. So, what did you find?
donc vous aviez raison, il y avait une machine là-bas. Ou du moins, oui, il y en avait une. Les années n'ont pas été tendres avec elle.
Well, that's not much of a surprise considering how long it was down here. And as long as we can reconstruct it, that's alright. I sent some of my men back to Ark. We'll request a caravan to get all the parts back to the temple and see what we can do from there. Let's just hope it really will help us against this cleansing, whatever it is. As much as I admire Pyrean technology, I don't like the idea of putting our lives in the hands of it.
J'ai aussi récupéré ça. Peut-être qu'ils pourront nous donner des indices sur ce qu'elle est réellement.
Let me see. Interesting. Truly interesting.
What?
Seems that this machine was only some kind of prototype. The real one the Pyreans were working on must be somewhere else.
Ah, d'accord.
Plus, there's also a name for it. The Pyreans called it the Beacon.
That's poetic.
Indeed. Well then, it seems like you and your visions have once again saved the day, Prophet. There's a lot for us to do now. If you've taken care of your business here, I suggest you head back to Ark and report to Old Aranthiel.
What do you think, Sagira? Do you want to leave now or stay a little longer?
Je pense qu'on a fait le tour ici. On peut y aller.
Good. There you are. Pegast's mages have already told the Grandmaster about our find, and they're waiting for us in the Emporium. Let's go.
Ok.
All that I am saying is that there
Walk
are more
blessed.
efficient ways to battle this red madness. And heathen machines atop the Sun Temple are the last thing that will calm the townsfolk.
Maybe. But if this heathen machine is what the Pyreans used to combat the cycle, I want it near. Even if it turns out to be useless, only a fool turns down a chance. Sharim, how long will the reconstruction take?
Oh, that depends on how many Pyrean mechanics you have on hand that can help us decipher these plans. Just think for once, Aranthiel. How are we supposed to give you an estimation if we don't even know what the finished machine is supposed to look like?
We will get to work right away, Grandmaster. But in any case, we're going to need a lot of steel and Pyrean crystals.
You will get them. Now, get to work. You did excellent work. We will reconstruct this machine, no matter the price. Here, this will reward you for your effort. With the beacon and the sigiled stone, we now have both a sword and shield against these High Ones. That is more than I had hoped for. However, there has also been a disquieting development. I have called in a conclave, and it will take place in a day. Come back then, and use the time to rest.
Très bien. Donc on a encore attendu une journée, c'est ça? C'est ça. Non, mais on a quelques trucs à faire pendant ce temps. Pour commencer, j'aimerais bien discuter avec Kalia de ce qui s'est passé à l'ancien Dotulgrad. Constantin.
Now, if it isn't the prodigy, well?
Oh non, rien. Bonne journée. Kalia?
Fuck blessed. Can I help you?
En fait, je viens juste pour vous parler.
That's convenient, actually. I think I still owe you an explanation.
Pour l'ancien Dotulgrad, hein, c'est ça?
Yes, but let's talk somewhere else. Come on. So, sorry for all the secrecy. I just didn't want anyone else to listen in.
Je comprends. Mais de quoi souhaitez-vous discuter?
Well, that moment when I neutralized the leader of the bandits in Old Dothelgrad. I'm sure you noticed that I was different then.
Oui, effectivement. Oui, vous aviez l'air complètement perdu là-bas.
Yes, I did. And I know that. I'll make this quick. There is something about me that you don't know. That no one knows, actually. Do you remember what I told you in the curarium about the destroyed village? Well, I wasn't entirely honest with you.
Vous ne savez donc pas ce qui est arrivé.
Not all of it, no, and it's true that I don't know how I ended up there. But I remembered something just before I regained consciousness. Some kind of vague memory. A feeling coupled with an image.
Un sentiment? Qu'est-ce que vous voulez dire par là?
It's hard to describe because it didn't last very long, but I saw myself, but I was somehow above the rooftops, as if I flew. Below me, I saw all the chaos, the dead, the fire, the devastated houses, and I somehow felt hot, but from inside, as if my blood was boiling. That sounds crazy, doesn't it? I'm sorry, but I don't know how to describe it better than that.
Alors c'était quoi, un souvenir? Quelque chose qui est vraiment arrivé? Je ne suis pas sûr de comprendre.
It was something that actually happened, I'm sure of it. But the memory, it was somehow blurred. Like a dream, but a very vivid one.
Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé ensuite?
Nothing. I woke up, and from there things happened just as I've already told you. But that's not really what I'm trying to get at. In that memory, when I saw all those dead bodies and all that destruction, I felt satisfaction, pleasure. As if all that suffering, all that pain was the most exhilarating thing I'd ever seen.
Je ne suis pas sûr de suivre. Qu'est-ce que vous essayez de me dire?
Well, I didn't know what to make of that memory myself for quite a long time. But then, things happened that made me understand. There is something inside my head, Saira. Some kind of second soul, an entity. Most of the time it sleeps, but there are situations in which it wakes up. Mostly when something atrocious happens or has happened. Blood, pain, death. Whenever I'm confronted with these kinds of things, it tries to... I don't know how to put it. Tries to take control of me, and then things like Alt Dothelgrad happen. It's never managed to completely take me over, and it hasn't gotten as far as it did in Alt Dothelgrad for a long, long time now. But that memory from the village, I think that is what happens when I let myself go completely.
Non. Je suppose que ce pouvoir que vous avez eu en tuant ce bandit venait de cette entité en vous?
Yes, it is immense, Saira. I can feel it every time it is trying to take me over. I don't even want to think about what would happen if I were to give in completely.
Vous avez une espèce de démon en vous, c'est ça?
If that name seems fitting to you, then yes. But I think we both know these stories about ghosts taking over the living are just stories to scare the common folk. If it helps you, think of it as some kind of temptation. One that's just waiting for the moment when I am too weak to contain it.
Mais c'est horrible, hein? Ça fait beaucoup de choses à digérer, là.
I figure. Listen, what happened in Old Dothelgrad? I never should have let it come to that. But that moment when he charged me, the blood on his sword, I just couldn't contain it. And when I gave in, when I hacked him into pieces, I simply felt so thrilled, complete. I was naive to believe it would never get that far again. Naive and stupid. But do you see now? This is the reason why I train so hard, why I always try to control my emotions, no matter what people do or say to me. This creature inside me, it's always on the hunt. And the only way I can keep it at bay is by controlling both my body and spirit 100%. Just one moment of carelessness. That's all it takes.
Mais c'est horrible. Aïe aïe aïe. Est-ce que l'ordre est au courant? Et les magistères?
Only Master Tyrus, my foster father. He taught me how to contain it by controlling my thoughts. And he also advised me never to tell anyone about it, which I haven't. Until today.
Et pourquoi m'en parler?
I don't know. Probably because I was afraid you'd tell someone else about what happened in Old Dothulgrad and that would raise suspicions. A coward's move, I know, but it was the best solution I could come up with. I'm sorry.
Et y a rien que vous puissiez faire? Hein? Aucun moyen de bannir ce monstre?
No way that I know of, at least. Who should I ask? The apothecary? There are two ways that would go. Either they would ridicule me, or they would take me seriously and report my condition to the Order. Neither way helps me, and who knows what the Order would do if they found out, especially as strained as the situation is right now.
Si vous le laissiez vous dominer complètement, qu'est-ce qui se passerait?
I don't know. And truth be told, I'm not sure I want to.
Ah bah oui, je suis d'accord, c'est pas une très bonne idée. Mais si la violence provoque cette chose, pourquoi êtes-vous dans la branche militaire de l'ordre?
Well, what would be the alternative? Transcribe Pyrean books like the Magisters do all day? Or drop out entirely and pour hot water for the upper city's noblewomen? Look, Saira, as you already pointed out, there is a chance that this thing inside me is responsible for the massacre in the village. And if that's true, I definitely have a lot of repentance to do, don't you think? And even if it isn't, I want to change things, to make the world at least a little bit better. And yes, I do realize that this means a lot of hardship and hard work for me, but I'm not afraid of that. Do you know why? Because that's what's missing in this world. So many people just talk, and never act, because that would mean that they'd have to actually endure something for what they believe in.
Pardon si je vous ai offensé de quelque façon que ce soit. En vérité, je m'inquiète pour vous, voilà tout.
Yes, I know. Sorry, I shouldn't have gotten so emotional. I just wanted to clear this up. Anyway, the one thing I ask of you is to keep silent about what I've told you. It will never come to something like that again, I promise. I'd like some time by myself now, and thanks for listening.
Transcribe verse 80 100 times.
À chaque fois qu'on parle avec quelqu'un,
The sky can rain fire.
ils ont toujours des histoires pas drôles à raconter. Pauvre Kalia. Mais quelle vie horrible ça doit être. De vivre avec ce truc qui à tout moment peut te faire péter les plombs. Oh. Mais malgré tout le chaos, tout le sang qu'on fait couler, toutes les choses horribles de ce monde, il reste quand même une part de beauté qu'on peut apprécier à chaque instant. C'est sur ces belles paroles qu'on se quitte. Je vais m'arrêter là pour aujourd'hui. Je vous remercie beaucoup d'avoir regardé cet épisode jusqu'au bout. Et puis je vous dis à bientôt pour le prochain épisode. Allez, à plus. 27 Midas de l'étoile estivale, 8234. Les mots du rituel que nous avons récupérés avec Gespard ont pu être utilisés. Les fragments de pierre ont été assemblés et le rituel a été exécuté par Constantin Viveflamme. Désormais, les fragments de pierre sont imprégnés d'une magie protectrice, capable, semble-t-il, de protéger son porteur de la folie pourpre. Les membres du Saint-Ordre en seront prochainement tous dotés. Théalor Arantheal nous a envoyé Kalia et moi à l'ancien Dotulgrad pour enquêter sur une ancienne machine pyréenne. D'après nos informations, cette machine aurait été utilisée pour faire face à la purge, mais n'aurait jamais pu être activée. Nous allons donc récupérer ce qu'il en reste, la reconstituer et essayer de l'activer d'une manière ou d'une autre. Pendant notre exploration des ruines, Kalia a révélé une part très sombre de son être. Je me suis retrouvé à terre pris au piège par un bandit et je l'ai vu devenir sombre, comme possédé par un démon, avant d'assassiner mon assaillant avec une rage impressionnante. À notre retour, elle s'est livrée à moi en m'avouant que cette force sombre en elle serait sans doute la cause de la destruction de son village lorsqu'elle était petite. Ce démon a une prise constante sur elle. Kalia doit sans arrêt lutter pour ne pas qu'il prenne le dessus. Quelle chose horrible que de vivre sous le stress permanent, de voir son esprit et son corps perdre totalement le contrôle, au moindre signe d'inattention. Théalor a convoqué un conclave qui doit se tenir d'ici une journée. D'ici là, je vais pouvoir prendre un peu de temps pour souffler et penser à autre chose.